Did you know your gut plays a huge role in your weight loss journey? Hey everyone, welcome back to the Healthy Hilarity. Today, we're diving into a topic that could change the way you think about weight loss, your gut health. It's not just about counting calories or hitting the gym. Your gut microbiome directly influences how your body stores fat, controls hunger, and even affects your mood. Let's break it all down. Your gut is home to trillions of bacteria, collectively known as the gut microbiome. These tiny organisms help digest food, regulate metabolism, and even communicate with your brain. But here's the catch, not all gut bacteria are helpful. An imbalance can lead to weight gain, sluggish digestion, and cravings for unhealthy food. Have you ever felt hangry or experienced sudden food cravings? That's the gut-brain connection at work. Your gut produces neurotransmitters like serotonin, which influences mood, stress levels, and appetite. A healthy gut helps regulate hunger hormones like leptin and ghrelin, making weight management easier. So, how can you keep your gut healthy for effective weight management? Here are a few key steps. Checkmark: eat more fiber-rich foods like leafy greens, oats, and legumes. Checkmark: incorporate probiotics and fermented foods like yogurt, kimchi, and sauerkraut. Checkmark: limit processed foods and sugar, which feed bad gut bacteria. Checkmark: stay hydrated to aid digestion and support gut health. Your gut health is a game changer when it comes to weight loss. A balanced gut microbiome helps you burn fat more efficiently, feel more energetic, and even stay in a better mood. So start making small changes today, and your body will thank you. Hooray! Did you find this helpful? Drop a comment below and let me know how you support your gut health. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss a new video. See you next time.